Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
804 senior high schools project aban here or ye wienti ebetimi aba say ye be school craft for next academic year no na academic term no be sha ase academic year no sha ase September no schools no be bria wo double tracks no omo ba be free so yenyi nchiremu na fe yento aso Vincent Peace FM yamoajo
many other man and your sort of no more for me
Awurade adom me ho ye pa na nso
yeah
804 senior high school projects near completion. Pacho ho asem say.
Senior mama tia o na tia ya wati na maybe an what you say ya na just say ya chino na fidi aja baba to pizza a wati na ya we not say you na just say baby ya yi me da was so mama sa ku say me na for one different for as far as senior high school prevention programs and it's a project across the country somewhere 2017 he cannot afford to fail and he said the Bayer high school because there's been a long-standing political commitment of the New Patriotic Party since 2008. In the appointment, nothing honorable document to Bayer minister. Now, I should see a done for parliament. Now, Bayer senior high school education, it means your number is going to be increased because now, and conform to you. Nasika a problem, and I say, I'm going to make the open school fees, and it's not motivated. So all those people will now be in the schools because now it is free. So issues of affordability was erased, and it's only implemented free high school education here. Any national country, will know say you are going to have problems as far as infrastructure is concerned. And from 2017, our problem we need to expand. From an opinion, some of the comments that we have been receiving is we better say now Argentina community schools offer from na school that they will honor classroom honor maybe 12 unique classroom and academic review and I'm going to see example and Chechimuni example say any out of mischief, any one-sided argument that you just want to have and you want to be fair. Now, is it not prudent? Say, or mine, who was could be the same preset, who could be the same kukuari. Not every year, you could die because that's to be honor. For example, 1,000. Not say no. But to me, this classroom. Dormitory now for that up to 1,005. Aren't you going to have a year in Quadra said they can boost of a very good school, which we all know say indeed they will come out as better people in this society, rather than having an entire new school. There is no traditional idea. So what it means is that we have to find ways and means to make sure that our young guys or our young ladies will be able to, of our prominent schools, after there be at the show Wesley Girls, the chances of going to Wesley Girls will enhance because you are expanding infrastructure through expansion of a year classroom book and a dormitory and a become. Now, the classroom book and the dormitories, no matter how we see it now, it was based on the BIFN need assessment. And to focus on the seminary, rector of the student seminar, the council said, I have no 2,000 bed capacity. No more, in classroom, 1,005. So, what it means is that we may need an additional classroom. Based on such a need assessment, near the classroom number and that is what we did for almost all the institutions that we have already given them that senior high school intervention project. And in now, 50 minutes cafe. Share the schools they have received this intervention to make sure that you expand. Okay, Ghanaian Times and the which I can Ghanaian Times on stage. And you support one career, I furnish into Matapana. You see a 12-unit classroom book in Matapana to ensure that there will be that expansion to be able to take more of our students. I will say to Matapana. It's hitherto, it's St. Thomas Aquinas will take 1,002 students. Now it is obvious that they can take about 1,005 because there have been an intervention. And this is a deliberate intervention the Yanko schools involved. And now, schools need to say, Bodhisan Senior High School. Bodhisan Senior High School last month, and you support a you in natural Asoka Johnson. If Asoka Johnson, I say, also, year of one day. You find Bodhisan Senior High School there. You see a domestic block, the district of Bodhisan, one of the first and North, who told me what to see. That's what we think now, no, make even more working for Ghanaian, the media necessarily to be able to pinpoint these are the schools yet to be SC as far as the leadership of Honorable Dr. Martin Kukuko.
Vincent Obi Babisa say enti sa projects when ma moye no eno bema double track no every ho September year na ana say ni nyina free ho kra schools do say na mo hwe anim say e be free double track no eso
nana yaw double track once you best start no you become as an associate. It is the anticipation of government to do double track for a period of 5 to 7 years. Nana yaw okay.
Me kan fie mi ensa de.
Yeah, 5 to 7 years. 5 to 7 years no. A just start interventions now is supposed to get us to that level of where at least 7 years no. Not just a double track. What we will say because of the robust nature of the interventions I'm sure familiar now do 5 years because first years are only double track year. They are not going to second year. Or more second year now, they will be going for single track. It is only some few schools that may have double track at the second year, depending on assets. But even with that, if our contractors are able to finish most of the project for us by September, then there's not going to be any double track in the second year. And then, there was supposed to be a break. Sir, interventions, and then I'll make sell 1 record, 2 minutes to run Ghanaians through just a few of the schools. Because some of the but will say, most of the schools do the way now, so it is best for us, our interest, the interest of people who also want to know where the schools are, for us to also put the list out so that they can go and see. And in another offer for free, PCFM, UTV, NITFM, report as well, never goes to say, a convention to school in Waha, in between Waha. When they go and they see, and they come to confirm what the media is. So they say, we shouldn't just look and see, so, the car now, almost put the car and ask her more Photoshop. Now, Judge Francis in high school, yes, there be a doctor and do the school. You see a big assembly because there are some of them that will have big capacity for them. They will also have big capacity for a year classrooms. But almost every work, it may not be able to accommodate all of them at the same time, and it becomes a problem. Especially when the school is supposed to be gathering for bigger programs. Usual school people say Mount High School. And Dominic Block.
I know they had the baby,
Nana. Usual school people say Jacob Senior High Secondary School, Dominic Block, Bikum Senior High School, Dominic Block, Sumaman Senior High School, Boman Senior High School, Young for Anglican Senior High School. All these schools and go all village classroom block, 2 village classroom block, 6 village classroom block, go more senior high school, 12 village classroom block. And we have tried so hard to even get pictures of these schools. It's an intervention I went to social media, which I hope you have seen quite a number of them. But what the naysayers are saying is that they are Photoshop. If they are Photoshop, we are charging the media to go to the schools and go and see whether they are there or not. And some of us, we are even planning on a media trip to the Phil Senior High School for us to go and see it. Feeling that Dochi, the schools in the see a deliberate attempt to eliminate the double track.
Mate, echo as a upper time banner, your bon como fiasi, Edwasi, any HMO, dear my asempa, as a double track may be free hammer, Yatimia Kono, mainstream and HSA, Asampapa, Edwasi.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.